Hi there, in this video we are going to talk about PHP connect with MySQL. So PHP and MySQL both are separate, but it is provided by the MEMP or WAMP or XAMPP. So in order to execute MySQL actions using PHP, we have to connect both with each other. And we can easily achieve that by this command PHP function MySQL connect, and these are the arguments: host name, host username, host password. This is the host name, username, password for MySQL. And if you don't remember, um, it you added while installing the MEMP. And if you don't remember, let me show you how you can achieve those. So in my MEMP, I have a welcome page by clicking on this button, and in my welcome page we have this section called MySQL, and here you will have the host, username and password for MySQL. So similarly, there is a welcome page for MEMP, XAMPP and WAMP. So now let's try to make a connection using PHP. So I'm gonna create one more folder called MySQL, so that all the MySQL related stuff we add in over here. And now I'm gonna create connection.php. From now I won't close the PHP tag, it's not necessary. So now let's try to use this function. Now assign this into a variable connection, and now let's take the host name. It will be always a local host. Then username and password is root. For the production server, it will be different, that we have to get from the server. This is the way to get this detail for our local host only. So now let's check if connection is successful. Connected successfully. Else go connection failed. Now let's try to execute that file. Go to this folder and click on connection.php. So it says connected successfully because we added all the correct detail. Let's try to add a false detail. So it is giving us this warning: access denied for this user and connection failed. This warning is coming by default, and this is the sentence we printed over here. So and yeah, this is the function MySQL connect. I stands for improvement. So previously this function was like this, MySQL underscore connect, but after some version of PHP it is changed to this function. I guess it's after version 5, I'm not sure, but yeah, previously we used to use this function, but now this function is not there. Let's try to run this function. Yeah, it says function undefined. So this is how you can connect this PHP with MySQL. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.